How to invest in art. Overall, blue-chip art investment exceeds S&P 500 returns by over 250 year-over-year. In this video, we will explain why investing in art is an excellent option for investors willing to diversify their portfolios and increase their returns. Please share your comments, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to follow us for more content on financial freedom. First, let's talk about blue-chip stocks. Shall we? What is a blue-chip investment? Suppose you have played poker before. You then know that blue chips have the highest value. If you haven't, now you know. The same principle applies to stocks. Blue-chip stocks are the stocks of well-known companies which are leaders in their field, the likes of Apple, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Walt Disney, Facebook, etc. Following this thought process, art blue chip refers to the masterpieces of highly admired and reputed artists such as Van Gogh, Cézanne, Jean-Michel Basquiat, Frida Kahlo, or Andy Warhol. I am confident that you understand the principle now. But the fundamental question remains, can everyone invest in art? Last year, Jean-Michel Basquiat's skull painting sold for $93.1 million in New York. It quickly became the artist's second most valuable artwork to sell at auction. Suppose you are an art lover like me, but don't have the money to purchase an exquisite art piece. How can we take part in this? The answer is simple: blue-chip investment. With the rise of democratization of technology, education, and communication, more opportunities are available to everyday investors who don't have millions or don't want to buy art pieces, but still want to make some profits. After all, art investment is still profitable. According to industry standards and past auction works, blue-chip art investment exceeds S&P 500 return over investment by 250% on average, 2019 as 2020. There are exceptional cases like Andy Warhol's reversal series of Marilyn Monroe that exceeded a return over investment of 700%. But it largely depends on the artist's recognition and value. Another example, it's Banksy's Mona Lisa sold for $1.5 million, resulting in a net annualized return of 32%. Returns are positive even during COVID-19 times. All art performance is greater than major portfolio assets except for crypto and blue-chip stocks investments. Last year, investments in Ethereum and Bitcoin generated massive returns, 950% and 242% respectively. During the same period, blue-chip stocks like Apple exceeded 50%. But blue-chip art investment is risky. There are ways to control or minimize the risk. For instance, Masterworks.io allows investors to buy shares of the artworks of the most well-known artists rather than purchasing the entire piece, provided the artwork is available to buy. So if you want to invest in art, there are a couple of things to consider. Here is the checklist of things to keep in mind before investing in art. Art investment is risky as it depends on the artist's appreciation. Invest in art if you love art. That's fundamental. It's a long-term strategy, so you shouldn't expect returns in the short term. If your strategy is liquidity, avoid blue-chip art investment. Do your own research and determine the level of risk you are willing to take. Diversify your portfolio. Either stocks, ETFs, indexes, crypto, etc. Consult professionals who will help to set up the accurate mix. Work with art advisors like Masterworks or similar providers to minimize the risk. The cost is 1% per year, plus 20% on sale. Remember that art blue-chip investment is a long-term strategy. The investment window is roughly 3 to 5 years and even 10 years, so it should be a small fraction of the total portfolio. If your primary goal is liquidity, consider other assets. I hope you find this information helpful. Please like this video and follow our channel for more finance tips. Remember, you control your finances, so press that pedal and speed up. Thanks for watching.